ज्यादा आप लोग मोटिवेटेड होके काम मत करिए।
नहीं सर,
और कोर्ट्स को ये मत उम्मीद करिए कि कोर्ट्स आपकी लाइन टो करने के लिए बैठे हैं।
सर
वी आर इंडिपेंडेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अथॉरिटी, वी आर अवेयर of our constitutional obligations.
Yes, madam, that's true. We are also assisting this on the.
You are not assisting this kind of affidavit where your principal secretary is trying to teach us English language is really a shame on your state government.
I apologize, madam. I apologize.
He should first read the language. He should go through the dictionary and understand what is the meaning of equivalent, what is the language employed in the section.
On the last date of hearing, this honorable court has directed the state to file their affidavit.
We filed the
The affidavit has been filed by
in
the
compliance
state.
of 9 order dated 9/11/2000. In fact, my lord, this issue of competency has already been decided by this court, my lord. In regard to that, my lord, we have filed one order passed by this honorable court, which is Annexure A4, page 16.
The only question raised by the petitioner that CO was not competent. The principal secretary of the state has very categorically stated that the appointment of the present CO is as per the section 23. I am reading section 20.
एक मिनट पहले let him complete. Let me see this order.
Sir. Well, this is the order annexed at page number 16, 16, my lord. Operating paragraph is at page 25.
Page 25, yes.
Paragraph 10 is the, as per the said section, the eligibility criteria for the person to be appointed as CEO is that he shall be a Muslim, he be appointed by the state government from a panel of 2 names suggested by the board, and he shall not be below the rank of deputy secretary. Yeah.
Then after आपने सज्जन को किया था अपॉइंट
सर
तो बाबू दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
नहीं सर, he is in fact he is not the clerk, my lord. He is posted on deputation.
नहीं किस पद पर है, उनका सब्सटेंटिव पोस्ट क्या है?
Sir, he is in rank, मतलब in serial wise he is number 3 in the department.
We are not concerned with it. What is his substantive post?
He's task manager, my lord. He's task manager.
Task manager.
ये
and the secretary के बराबर होते हैं, ऐसा प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी का एफिडेविट फाइल करा दीजिए that task manager is equivalent to the deputy secretary to the government of Madhya Pradesh.
नहीं सर, आपका कहना बिल्कुल सही है सर। मैं सिर्फ एक मिनट।
नहीं
जी सर।
मुकेश जी भी जो है बोल रहे हैं कि प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी को बुलवा लेते हैं, या तो वो समझाएं कैसे होता है टास्क मैनेजर, और ये टास्क मैनेजर की पोस्ट कहाँ से आई, क्या सेटअप है।
सर
Don't try to befool the court.
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल।
We know that how to deal with the principal secretary.
नहीं सर, ऐसा कभी हम लोग सरकार की तरफ से कभी नहीं होगा सर। निश्चित।
तो बताएं, अगर डिप्टी सेक्रेटरी नहीं है तो उसका अपॉइंटमेंट गलत है, आप अपॉइंट करिए डिप्टी सेक्रेटरी, इट इज योर प्रेरोगेटिव।
सर एक मेरा निवेदन सर।
हाँ, we'll set aside this order, you appoint a proper CEO in terms of this provision section 23.
Sir, this is what the interpretation has been done by this honorable court, my lord.
I will not go by that interpretation. I have my own interpretation. I am sorry to say,
sir,
unless you file an affidavit of the principal secretary that task manager is holding a post equivalent to the deputy secretary to the government of Madhya Pradesh, I am not going to accept your
contention. Sir, यही फाइल किया हमने।
कहाँ है, पढ़िए किस पैराग्राफ में लिखा है?
एक निवेदन मेरा सिर्फ एक
पैराग्राफ पढ़िएगा, कहाँ लिखा है प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी ने?
ये नहीं एफिडेविट आपका
एफिडेविट पैराग्राफ 3 में लिखा है।
पेज नंबर
3 of the affidavit, paragraph 3।
हाँ, पैराग्राफ 3 पढ़िएगा।
It is humbly submitted that the whole procedure and process as mentioned in section 23 of the Waqf Board has been followed in letter and spirit. It is strongly denied that provisions of section 23 has been violated in appointment of current incumbent CEO. It is mentioned in section 23 that panel of two Muslim officers should be called from Waqf Board, as there are no officers of the rank of deputy secretary or above or equivalent to the deputy secretary working in Waqf Board. Hence, panel could not be called from the Waqf Board, as mentioned in section 23. Section 23 provides that in case of non-availability of Muslim officer of that rank in the board, a Muslim officer of equivalent rank may be appointed on deputation. The word used in the legislation is equivalent rank. The dictionary meaning of equivalent.
जाइएगा यहाँ पर
सर
पढ़ेंगे, इसको फिर से पढ़ेंगे
जी।
The word used in legislation is equivalent rank. The dictionary meaning of equivalent rank is similar in pay, grade or functions.
जी।
Thus it is clear that pay scale is not the sole criteria to be same for a person to be of equivalent rank.
जी।
While it is admitted fact that the position of Shri Jaffrey, who has been appointed as, does not have pay equal to deputy secretary, but the word used in law is not equal but equivalent. अच्छा, तो क्या होता है इक्विवेलेंट का डिक्शनरी मीनिंग बताइएगा।
सर मेरा
नहीं, एक सेकंड आने साहब, आप जब जब अंग्रेजी सीखना ही है तो पूरी सीखे ना।
सर
ठीक है, बताइएगा इक्विवेलेंट का क्या मतलब होता है।
सर-
इन्होंने बता दिया,
जी।
इक्विवेलेंट का क्या मतलब होता है, थोड़ा सा बताइएगा।
इनफैक्ट वन
नहीं, अरे भाई, इन्होंने वर्ड यूज्ड इन रजिस्ट्रेशन इज इतना, द डिक्शनरी मीनिंग ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट रैंक इज बताया, ठीक है ना।
जी
उसके बाद इन्होंने कहा thus it is clear that pay scale is not the sole criteria to be equivalent, while it is admitted fact that position of Mr. Jaffrey, who has been appointed as CEO, does not have pay equal to, but the word used in the law is not equal but equivalent.
नहीं सर, इस पे पे भी इनकी इक्वल है। इनफैक्ट दिस
तो फिर ये
फैक्ट
प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी गलत एफिडेविट फाइल कर रहे हैं, इनका कंटेम्प्ट हो जाएगा।
नहीं सर, इसमें असल में इनफैक्ट क्या है,
नहीं,
the this subsequently this has been brought by the Waqf board in the return, my lord.
we don't know.
जी
This
is one
is affidavit of your principal secretary ना, किसने दिया ये एफिडेविट?
principal
अशोक
secretary.
बर्नवाल,
जी
प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी। तो ये गलत एफिडेविट क्यों दे रहे हैं ये?
नहीं सर, इनफैक्ट दिस इज द early affidavit, my lord, in compliance of order
नहीं,
dated
sorry.
9/11.
The law is very clear.
जी
Law says that he can be brought on deputation. Don't try to mislead the
सर
court.
सर
I'm questioning this appointment, and you may proceed to appoint a fresh CEO, new CEO to the Waqf board.
सर, और अगर अनुमति
You can bring him on deputation from any other department. It is not your affidavit that no Muslim officer in the rank of deputy secretary is available in the whole of state of Madhya Pradesh.
not
ये आपने नहीं कहा, आपने कहा कि वक्फ बोर्ड में नहीं है।
सर।
इसमें जो लैंग्वेज है वो ये है, who shall not be below the rank of deputy secretary to the state government. To the state government, word is very clear. Deputy secretary to the state, and in case of non-availability of a Muslim officer of that rank,
जी
कहाँ state government में?
जी
It is not from you are not required to appoint a CEO from within the Waqf board.
सर।
And in a Muslim officer of equivalent rank may be appointed on deputation. अगर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में नहीं है तो वो बाहर से ला सकती है डेपुटेशन पर, ठीक है। अगर आप चाहते हैं इसको, आप विड्रॉ करना चाहते हैं कि हम उनको बुला लें?
सर we'll file a fresh affidavit.
No. I'll not permit you all this. Today I'll quash the appointment, holding that your person does not fulfill the requirements of section 23 and the affidavit is misleading.
But if I may be permitted, my lord.
5 तारीख को CEO अपने प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी को बुला लीजिए, we'll let him explain it. Either you withdraw this or I am issuing contempt notices to your principal
I'll
secretary.
seek instructions, my lord, in this case.
2:15 आ जाइए.
मेरे एक नहीं भी
You either you withdraw your affidavit.
Sir, we'll
It's
withdraw.
it's absolutely misleading.
We'll
Or I'll draw contempt.
My lord, I'll withdraw.
Let it be clear to your principal secretary.
Please, my lord. I'll withdraw this affidavit, my lord.
2:15 बताइए, 2:15 इंस्ट्रक्शंस ले लीजिए।
Sir.
इतने ज्यादा आप लोग मोटिवेटेड होके काम मत करिए।
नहीं सर।
अब कोर्ट्स को ये मत उम्मीद करिए कि कोर्ट्स आपकी लाइन टो करने के लिए बैठे हैं।
Sir, we are
We are independent constitutional authority. We are aware of our constitutional obligations.
Yes, madam, that's true. And we are also assisting this on.
You are not assisting this kind of affidavit where your principal secretary is trying to teach us English language is really a shame on your state government.
I apologize, madam. I apologize.
He should first read the language. He should go through the dictionary and understand what is the meaning of equivalent, what is the language employed in the section. We are not required to learn interpretation of law from him. 2:15 बजे.
Apologize.